The rain's getting heavier.
Yes, I should head home.
Take this basket with you.
Thank you.
Here are the greens for dinner.
Thank you. I'll help cook.